Hello, so this is a real quick review discussion of what you need to know for Friday's test. Hopefully it's given on Friday. You need to know how to calculate the areas of these shapes, the parallelogram, the triangle, the trapezoid. You have to memorize these formulas. Okay, you have to know that the height is always perpendicular to the base. The height is always at a right angle to the base. You just write down these formulas when you have the problem and you apply them. Please write down the formula so the teacher knows that you know the formula. That's very important. You just write down these formulas and you just apply what you know and you solve for what you need to find out. If you have a problem like this where you have a box and a triangle, sort of like a house, and you want to find the area, you find the area, you split the thing up into shapes that you know how to calculate the area for, and you add them up. Now, what do you need to know about solids? You need to know how to classify solids. Okay, you need to know how to classify solids. Okay, so if it has a point, if it has just a point on the top, then it's either a cone or a pyramid. It's a cone. If it's circular on the base, then it's a cone. If it's not circular, if it's one of these other shapes, polygons, then it is a pyramid. If it doesn't have a point on the top, but it has the same shape on the top and the bottom, right? Same shape on the top and the bottom. It is either a cylinder if it's a circular shape, or it is a prism if it is a polygonal shape like that. That's how you know what is what. A sphere is sort of obvious. It's just a ball. Then all of these things that have polygons on them, either on the bases, you can categorize them by the type of polygon. For example, if it's a hexagonal bottom and it's a pyramid, it's a hexagonal pyramid. If it is if it's a pyramid, if it's a prism, right, it's got a pyramid on the top and the bottom, then it is a hexagonal prism. Okay, so you just can categorize these things by the shape of the base. Okay, and then this last thing, faces, edges, and vertices. Two last things, faces, edges, and vertices. Faces are are polygons. Those are the surfaces of the thing. The edges are all the lines that you can count to make up this thing, and the vertices are the corners that you count when you make up these things. Hopefully, the teacher will give you a picture, and then you just count the lines, count the corners, and count the faces. Last thing, views. Views, you have to use your imagination a little bit. You have to take this thing and you have to look at it from different angles, like this rectangle pyramid, getting that straight there. If you look at it from the top, looks like a rectangle, right? Looks from the side, it looks like a triangle, and from the front, it looks like a triangle. Okay, so you pretend that you're looking at the solid from different directions. What do you see? You have this little house thing. You look at it from the top, from an airplane, it looks like this. It looks like a rectangle, because all you see is the roof. You look at it from the side, it looks like this shape that we asked you to get the area for before. And if you look at it from the front, it actually looks like a rectangle, because first you see the bottom half, and then you see the roof that, from this point of view, looks like a rectangle. That's it. Good luck. We all want to get everybody out of the cycle of getting those annoying S's so that you don't have to reassess anymore. We want you to get E's the first time, and you can definitely do it on this test. It's not that bad. You just have to know the names of these things, and you have to know how to apply these you just have to know these formulas, write them down, and solve for what you don't know. Oh yeah, the perimeter. You know, the perimeter is just the distance around the formula, around the thing. And don't forget the units at the end. I hope she doesn't take off, but units of perimeter are in inches, feet, meters, kilometers, whatever. Units of area are in square inches, square kilometers, square meters, square feet, whatever. Square, whatever. Area is in units of square units. Okay, good luck.